Bryce, will you put this on for me? Come on.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Little baby hydro flask. This one might be alright. I think I've sold that recently.
It's chicken.
What'd you find?
You find something?
No. Nothing.
Those tapes I found for you the other day.
Yeah.
Were they for you or for sale?
For me.
Oh, okay, I'm just curious.
For me, Bryce.
Well, now, do you want them for sale also?
I mean, some of them are decent.
Well, what I'm getting at, I'll continue to look for those.
Yeah, please do. I need all the help I can get around here.
There's no question about that. Hold still, you got a fly on your phone.
Oh, no. Not the money maker. Never seen one like that. 2004. Interesting. Oh. There's one of the things for it. Cool. There's a chicken.
It's fried chicken.
Guess we'll collect.
He gave me yesterday.
What'd he give you?
He's like, hey, would you want this? He hands me a fucking machete with like a 20 to it.
Dude, he's good at finding stuff like that.
I like fried chicken.
Chicken.
You could take me now.
It's not expecting that. This is garbage, man. This is bad. Snake. No dandies.
Anything?
No.
I think you're lying to me. You just don't want me
I'm
to
not.
know.
Why would I lie to you?
Because you can.
Go fetch. Oh, I did find something.
It's a conspiracy.
You're not gonna like it.
I saw that.
Aren't you a vampire?
And that's what I was thinking. Seriously, that's what I was thinking.
It
when
goes
I saw
right there.
Yeah, and that's that there, so you got a hammer.
Hammer it in.
A wooden mallet.
Does that scare you?
No.
No.
It's chicken.
Holy crap, guys. We might have to put that on Pickle Rick. Okay, let's see if we can get Bryce to put that on. Bryce, will you put this on for me? Come on. Somebody's putting it on. I'm gonna need new gloves. This thing gets caught on everything. Find any brass on this?
Nope, other people found it for me, but
Okay. I didn't see anything here. Drink me. Really? I don't know. Yeah.
Did you,
Oh, shoot. Is there any more?
I don't know, they're sitting right here, so.
Thanks, man. I think I'm getting it.
truly suck.
Now, come on.
I couldn't care less about the team struggling.
You know how to take pictures?
No, how?
Here. I need you to take a picture of me in this.
Yeah, okay.
You got it? Okay. We're going. Oh.
I want to take a picture with mine too. So.
Okay. I haven't put anything on in a minute.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me set that there. Let me.
Okay.
There. Just a minute. Okay.
Did you get it? Oh my gosh. This thing's hot, man.
You understand that you're a sick individual.
Yeah, I am sick. This is established. All right. My camera got messed up. Oh no. Okay. Pickle Rick. Ugh. Okay. Let's see how you did.
I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect.
My name is Jeff.
Here's the chain I got over the weekend.
Hey, now. I was gonna. I don't think this is. I think it's silver plated.
It is silver plated. It's
They could be silver now. I'll try to.
made in China. You don't want it.
Stand in line or what?
I mean, you can look at this belt and 2 and 3, but they have 4 shut down. That's the only one you can't go to.
Which one can't I go to?
This, you can go to this one, and then the 2 in the middle. But that one where the girl is pulling stuff out of the bag, that one's shut down right now.
Alright. Here you guys, I got a surprise for you.
Oh my gosh! Here, you open it.
No.
I'm scared.
No.
Oh my God!
Good night.
Thank you.
Nice box. Isn't it?
That's what she said.
Well built.
Yeah, it's a nice
Looks like
box.
it's all glued.
That's a pretty good one.
You gonna get that?
Probably not.
The only topper I've got today.
Man, everybody's taking care of you today.
Somebody needs to.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, they're open. They're open. Yo. That's actually kind of cool. I don't need it though. I don't have space for this.
Was that little wood box in anything?
No, I don't think so. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Cool. That little hammer. Snap-on tools. What? I can't believe I just hit that.
The name is Dumas.
Hold on. Alright, let's just take this over there. That's an old one. That's kind of cool. Got this big ass pumpkin. What do you think about that? Boom. What was that?
These strings.
See you, Bryce. This might be it. We might be in it, baby. Okay, let's see here. Dude. Definitely worth trying. Got some wear. The party supplies. Junk. This is pretty great. Yeah.
That's sick.
That's some good ass bin art right there. There you go. What?
Grown man's Batman onesie.
No way. What do you think about this?
That's sick though. I like it. It's funny.
Oh, did you already see it?
Yeah.
Damn it.
Look at this shit. It's Kid Robot. And it's got the...
Put it on. What are we doing?
It needs to be cleaned. But
No.
I'll be wearing this motherfucker in here though.
All right. Let me know. How much we spend in there? All right, y'all. We got out of the outlet spending only $16 today. We got that Snap-on box that I think is going to do fairly well, maybe 100. It's got some it's got rust and some paint wear, but overall it looks pretty nice. When I was walking up, Bryce gave me a pretty good item that should probably be another $100, I think. So overall, not a bad day. Kind of a boring day. I did end up getting the bin art of High Alone. Don't ask me why I wanted that, but I got it. I'll probably end up throwing it away at some point, but I got it. And that's what we do here. We buy weird shit. So as always, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a like, hit the sub button, hype the video, all that good stuff. But until next time, take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what good content is, but